During your working years, your regular source of income will help you take care of your dependent parents, maintain your lifestyle, and support your child's dream. You need support during the later stage of your life. ABSLI provides life insurance coverage, a guaranteed stream of income, and lump sum benefit under the product ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan. In this video, let us review this plan and analyze the various benefits under this plan. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. ABSLI Nishchit Aayush is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. First, let us look at the features of the plan. You get a guaranteed income from the chosen policy anniversary till the end of the policy term. Lump sum benefit at policy maturity in addition to income. Life cover across policy term. The income variant could be long term or whole life. There is also the choice of increasing income or level income option. You have the flexibility to build your own plan with a choice of income benefit, income variant, premium payment term, policy term, and deferment period. Next, we shall look at the benefits of ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan. First, death benefit. Death benefit is higher of sum assured on death or surrender benefit, where sum assured on death is higher of sum assured, that is 5 or 7 or 10 times of the annualized premium or 105% of total premiums paid till the date of death. The nominee will have the option to receive the amount of death benefit in annual or monthly installment instead of one lump sum payment. Next, survival benefit in the form of guaranteed income will be paid at the end of each year beginning with the first policy year if a 0-year deferment period is selected and continuing until policy maturity. There are 3 income variants based on which the income benefit changes. Level income with lump sum benefit, level income with enhanced lump sum benefit, and increasing income with lump sum benefit. Next, maturity benefit. On survival of life insured till the end of the policy term, guaranteed lump sum benefit is payable. Guaranteed lump sum benefit is equal to the total premiums paid by you multiplied by the applicable lump sum factor. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of ABSLI Nishchit plan. Advantages. You start receiving the survival benefit from the beginning of the second policy year itself. You receive it till the end of the policy term or your whole life. Riders can be added to the base policy. Premium payment term, policy term, and income benefit can be chosen at your convenience. Under the increasing income benefit option, the income benefit payout will increase at a simple interest rate of 5% every 5 years. The death benefit could be received in installments. Loan option is available up to a maximum of 80% of surrender value. Next, disadvantages. All the benefits are staggered over the years, so it may not help you to meet your big ticket expenses. Since the plan offers survival benefit from the second policy year, the return is meager, that is, the investment is not allowed to grow to fetch better returns. And the sum assured is low when compared to pure term life insurance policies. No loyalty addition or bonus for this plan. Next, we shall move on to the calculation part. ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan offers both survival benefit, that is regular income, and maturity benefit, which is lump sum. To understand the plan better, we shall look at a benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. A 40-year-old male invests rupees 1 lakh per annum in ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan. He opts for a long-term income variant with a premium payment term of 10 years and a policy term of 40 years and chooses to receive his income immediately on an annual basis, that is 0-year deferment period. He pays a premium of rupees 1 lakh for 10 years and receive a survival benefit of rupees 34,800 per year during the policy term and a maturity benefit of rupees 14 lakhs at the end of the policy term. In the initial years, the survival benefit is adjusted with the premium. In the above illustration, the internal rate of return is calculated at 4.88%. This rate is lower than the inflation rate. Though you receive regular income benefits from the policy, the IRR is low. The reason behind this is the investment should be allowed to grow over time, which is missing in the ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan. Investments are often made with long-term financial goals in mind, such as retirement planning, education funds, or wealth accumulation. The longer an investment is allowed to compound, the greater the growth potential. By allowing investments to remain undisturbed, you allow them to benefit from the time value of money. Let us understand this with an example. In the ABSLI Nishchit illustration, you pay an annual premium of rupees 1 lakh for the first 10 years. Instead of investing here, let us assume we split this amount into a monthly investment of 8,300 and deposit in a post office recurring deposit account. The actual tenure is 5 years in post office RD, but it can be extended. The current interest rate is 6.7% per annum compounded quarterly. Compound interest or returns have a compounding effect over time. Thus, the final accumulated corpus under the RD investment at the end of 10 years is calculated at 14,18,093. Under the ABSLI Nishchit Aayush illustration, you get a survival benefit of Rs 34,800 per annum from the second policy year. But here we assumed the investment is allowed to grow without withdrawal, that is the survival benefit. By interrupting or withdrawing funds prematurely, you disrupt the compounding process and potentially miss out on substantial future gains. The accumulated corpus of 14.18 lakh is then invested at a rate of 6% per annum for annual withdrawal for the next 30 years, that is from year 11 to year 40. After withdrawing Rs 60,000 per month for the next 30 years, you are still left with a corpus of 31.16 lakhs. Under ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan, you get a survival benefit of Rs 34,800 and the final maturity benefit of Rs 14 lakhs. But here, from the illustration, we have calculated that you get double the survival benefit and double the final maturity value. The reason behind the substantial difference in amount is that investment should be allowed to grow over time, which is missing in ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan. Here is our final verdict on ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan. And this plan offers various benefits to policyholders. Depending on the personal requirement, the policyholder can choose from a wide range of options. All the benefits, that is survival benefit and maturity benefit, are guaranteed amounts. Policyholder may get lured by the regular cash flow, which is guaranteed. But beware, staggered benefits reduce your return. Traditional policies often include a savings or investment component where the premiums you pay accumulate over time. By withdrawing income benefits before the premium paying term ends, you may receive a reduced amount compared to what you would have received if you have waited until the end of the term. This could affect your final return on investment. Paying the premium and at the same time getting survival income is not a good option. As long as the investment is allowed to grow, it will accelerate your returns. To cater to your life coverage, opting for a pure term life insurance policy is the best option. Please consult a professional financial planner to plan your finances. A detailed review of ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan is available as a blog post on our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.